Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In the previous video we have know about the Ding Express girls Hima Das and the Heptathlons girls Swapna Burman. Okay, today we are discussing about the next wrestler, next super girls. That name, her name was Vinesh Fogart. Okay, so listen carefully and watch out the complete video. So in this video you know about the more specialty of the Vinesh Fogart, who is the wrestler. Okay, so you can see here is the newspaper cutting, and this newspaper was published in Chandigarh on 5 September 2018. And let's see what the editors or newspaper explained here about the Vinesh Fogart. So see here, Asian Games, Vinesh Fogart becomes the first Indian woman wrestler to win gold. Okay, so here is the title is very interesting, and the title also introduced that here the Vinesh Fogart is the first woman of India who won the gold medal in the wrestling. Okay, so Vinesh Fogart beats Yuki Eri of Japan in the final of the women's wrestling at the Asian Games 2018. Okay, it means when the Asian Game will happen, then the Vinesh Fogart beats Yuki Eri, who is belongs from the Japan, and in the finals at the Asian Games 2018, and thus becoming the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games earlier. And here is the Vinesh Fogart. Vinesh Fogart make a history, and the history was she was the first woman of the wrestler who won the gold medal in Asian Games. Okay, and earlier on way to the final. Okay, Vinesh had defeated Yunan Sun of China. Okay, and earlier on her way to the final. Okay, in the final the Vinesh Fogart defeated Yunnan Sun of China. So, Yunnan Sun of China is a girl who is the best wrestler in the world, and she belongs from the China. Okay, so Vinesh Fogart in the final she defeated to the Yunnan Sun of China, and Vinesh had suffered a heart breaking leg injury during the Rio Olympics against Sun. So you know very well that the Indian women have a different kind of the problem when she participate in Asian Games and Olympic Games, such like that. Here is the in previous video you know about that the Swapna Burman has great injury. It means terrible injury, and she had also a toothache pain. And here is the Vinesh Fogart had suffered a heart-breaking leg injury. Okay, heart-breaking leg injury during the Rio Olympics against the Sun. Okay, that is the woman who, here is the Vinesh Fogart, uh, when she fight with the Yunnan Sun in Rio Olympics, then she get the heart-breaking legs injury. Okay, she did not allow that to affect her, but he is not show up to that. She is fear from the injury. Okay, and she came out a winner with a incredible scores of 8-2. Okay, and when she uh, came came for the fight, and then she came out as a winner. Okay, with the incredible. Incredible means uh, unbelievable. Okay, incredible means unbelievable, that is the not trust. Okay, 8-2, it means Vishesh Fogart get the 8 points and the Yunan's son get the 2 points. When she landed in Jakarta, the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms above the requisite weight for her category. So when the Asian Game held in Jakarta, she reached there, and when she reached there, she got that the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms. Okay, above. It means Vinesh Fogart is 4 kilogram above the expected weight for her category. Okay, it means in her category the more weight of the Vinesh Fogart. She had to lose 4 kilograms in 3 days to participate in the event, and she also doing hard work, working hard, and she lost her 4 kilograms weight in 3 days to participate in the event. Okay, it means she wanted to participate in the Asian Games. Okay, and he make in her mind as a determination that she participate in the Asian Games. So she lost 4 kilograms weight to her in the 3 days. It is very difficult moment for her, and to participate in the event, it means she wanted to participate in the Asian Games, so she lost her 4 kilo weight in 3 days. Okay, it is incredible. Okay, she was on a liquid diet for 3 days and worked out in a non-air conditioned hall to increase sweating and doubled the number of training season. Here the when you want in your mind that you make a determination in your mind that you do and you did and you can do, then you have to succeed in your aim. And here is the all Indian women also show up their ability. Okay, and here the Vishesh Fogart take only liquid diet. Okay, she take only liquid diet for 3 days, nothing she take another food or fast food or another. Okay, and she worked out non air conditioner. It means she wanted to increase her sweating. Okay, she wanted to increase her sweating, so she worked in non air condition, and she also increased. It means she doubled the number of the training season. It means she did not stop here. Okay, she increasing her training as it doubled. Okay, she did lose 4 kilogram but was not at her peak during the competitions. Okay, she completely lost her weight as a 4 kilogram, but without eating and taking complete food, it is very difficult for to participate and fight with the opposite of her wrestler. Okay, it is very difficulty for her, and when you have to not eating something, then you cannot move or go on a step. Okay, but here the Vinesh Fogart is doing opposite of his ability. Okay, she is no able to participate in the so she is now no able to participate in a best way of the wrestling. But here is the she doing different. Okay, and what she doing in a brilliant display of the mental strength, she won the gold medal. Okay, she not taking good food, she not taking best diet during the wrestling. She increasing her 4 kilograms to and increasing her sweating without taking complete food. So it is very hard for her. Okay, but he fix her mind and display of mental strength. Okay, she won the gold medal in the final of the Asian Games. It is the fast determination of the Indian women who show up that if there are any conditions, she will face the all difficulties and get the success in any any condition. Okay, she has won many medals at other events, including a silver at the 2018 Asian Wrestling Champion in Kazakhstan and a gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Game. And after that, she participate in a many kind of the games just like that, and she also won many medals, including the silver medal in 2018 Asian Wrestling, and that is the held in Kazakhstan. Okay, Asian Wrestling Championship, who that was the held in Kazakhstan, and she also won the gold medal in 2018 in the Commonwealth. Okay, so this is the very incredible woman. And next, Indian sports has a clearly come a long way with 2018 bringing Indian 66 medal at the Commonwealth game and 69 medals at the Asian Games. Okay, so here the Indian sports has clearly come a long way. It means it takes a long day, and after a long time the Indian women's doing something with 2018 bringing Indian 66 medals at the Commonwealth game. So here is the Indian sportsmen and women doing different, and they take 66 medal at the Commonwealth game and 69 medals at the Asian Games. You can see here is the two games just like that. One is the Commonwealth game and second is the Asian Games. In the Commonwealth game, she gets 66 medals. They get 66 medals, and in the Asian Games they add 69 medals. Okay, so such like they had won the total number of the medals 130 136 3. Okay, 33 medals that won by the Indians. Okay, and women played a major role at both the sports events. Okay, and here is the Indian women also participate in a different kind of the games, and they played a major roles at the both sports event. It means Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games. Clear? And they won 12 gold, 10 silver and 6 bronze medal. It means total number of the medal they won 12 gold medal, okay, and 10 silver medal and 6 bronze medals at the Commonwealth game they brings. Okay, and in the Asian Games they won 4 gold, 12 silver and even bronze medals at the Asian Games. Okay, therefore the Indian women won the many medals in Commonwealth game and Asian Games. Okay, and we know something about more on of the Vishesh Phogat. Just like that, I introduced to wrestling by her uncle and former wrestler Mahavir Phogat. You know very well about the Mahavir Phogat, who is the father of the Babita Phogat and Geeta Phogat. Okay, and he is the uncle of Vishesh Phogat, who introduced her to wrestling by wrestling. Okay, and hails from one of the traditional wrestling families of Mahavir district, cousin of the wrestler Geeta Phogat and Babita Kumari, both Commonwealth Games medalist. Okay, here is the uh, her sister, cousin sister, the name of the cousin sister is Babita Fogart and Geeta Fogart, and both of them won the medal in the Commonwealth Games. Okay, and next, Vishesh Fogart, the wondrous wrestler. Okay, so uh, you know that here is the Vishesh Fogart, who is the best wrestler, and the wrestling introduced by her uncles, who was the father, and they it is the traditional of the wrestling families. It means Bhavani district, cousin of the wrestling Geeta Fogart in the Bhavani district. Her cousins, there are two cousins named Babita Fogart and Geeta Fogart. Both are the wrestler, and her fathers, it means her uncles, also a wrestler. So at this way, the Vishesh Fogart interest in get the interest in the wrestling. Okay, so I hope everyone will understand it. We meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching this video, and if you have to any problem, then comment in the comment box. Okay.